Here it comes. Is that cool? This is a train. No, man! You're gonna make it fall off. What did I say? Slowly.
It's going too fast.
Turn it back then. This is slower. Okay? This is fast. Not real fast. How's that? Cool? You're driving it. Watch your hand.
How'd you make the train stop?
Like this. Here, watch. This is go.
Dad, what kind of train is that?
This is stop. It's called a line-out train. Let's try your other one again, okay? Hold on.
I like the line-out train better.
I think that's the problem. I think we need some oil on this puppy, bud.
I can turn the line-out train.
I think that's all we need. A little bit of oil.
I can show how the line-out train works.
Yep, I know that's all we need.
Can I show you how the line-out train works?